Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to draw some different animals, and we're going to be focusing mainly on like their faces, but we're going to do something with like the bodies of these animals that we're going to be drawing. But if you're at home and you're just wanting to draw something, these are really cool, and I would love to see like what you do to the bodies of them. Okay, so, and we're going to remember to fill up our entire paper when we're drawing, so we need to make it really big, right? We need to make sure we're drawing really big. So I'm going to start with a circle because we're going to draw a polar bear, okay? These are going to be Arctic animals. This whole video is going to be about Arctic animals. So we're going to be drawing a polar bear. So I'm going to draw, whoops, those ears kind of look like monkey ears, right? And it's okay to make a mistake. We all do that every now and then. But we can erase, right? Or we can turn our mistakes into something beautiful. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to draw some bear-like ears. Just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to draw some eyes like this right here. And I can color in those spots there. And then I'm going to come down and kind of draw a shape like this. Now this is going to be like the nose and the mouth of our bear. So then I'm going to come in and draw kind of this funky shaped triangle. Okay. And remember, if I'm going too fast and you need to pause the video or rewind it, totally go for it. I've had lots and lots of practice on these, and I know you all haven't, so I would be impressed if you didn't have to pause the video, and you should totally be teaching the class if you don't. So, there we go, and I might add some, do bears have whiskers? I don't know, but you can add whatever details you want to. Remember, we're going to be doing something down here with the body of our bear. Yeah, that kind of looks like a cat. I'm going to take those whiskers off. But you can add whatever details you want. If you want to add flowers and like on top, like a flower crown or a necklace or anything, or even some fur, right? We can add some fur lines in there like that. Whatever you want to do is totally fine. So this is a polar bear, right? So we're going to move on to our next Arctic animal. And our next Arctic animal is going to be a penguin. So remember, we're going to try to fill up our whole paper. I'm going to start with a circle. Okay, a big circle. Now, I'm going to come and kind of do this like little triangle type thing, but I'm not going to touch it in the middle. Okay, and then I'm going to draw this diamond shape, and in the middle I'm going to do that. That's for the little penguin beak. Just like that. And then we can come in here and we can add eyeballs, right? And then we have our penguin body. And remember, in class, we're going to be doing something with the body of our penguin. So don't add any details here. We're just adding details up here on the face. But if you're drawing at home, go for it. Add as many details as you'd like. Okay? So, and this is a penguin, right? It's an Arctic animal. Now, oh, there's our polar bear. So our next Arctic animal is an Arctic owl. Okay, so this one is a little bit different. I'm going to go from one edge of my paper and come down like a flattened out U and come back up. Okay, and then I'm going to come out just a little bit, or inside just a little bit, and I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the penguin. I'm going to come down just like that. Do the same thing over here and come down. And then I'm going to draw the owl beak, right? Theirs looks a little different. And then I'm going to come in here, like about in an inch or two, and I'm going to come around and kind of make a little C shape with a little whoop. I'm going to come back down and kind of do the same thing up here. Then I'm going to come here on the edge. I ran out of room, but I'm going to make ears that come all the way up to the top, just like that. Okay, and then I can add big ol' eyeballs. And for owls, I like to make the pupils, and then I like to erase one little section on both the pupils. And I like to make horizontal oval shape highlights, just because their eyes are a little different. You know what? I'm actually going to make his face a little bit smaller. There we go. I'm going to erase it. Right, because mistakes are, do you remember what mistakes are? Mistakes are proof that we're trying. So if you're not making any mistakes, then are you really trying? Are you trying new things? Are you expanding? So then I'm going to add 2 little wings like this right here. So there we have our owl. And then you can add whatever details you would want to. Okay? I'm going to put owl up here. And remember, this I'm drawing an Arctic owl, but you can make whatever kind of owl you want to. So for this next one, we're going to make it horizontal. Okay? And we're going to do it a little bit differently. Alright? So over here, I'm going to draw kind of like a big rainbow shape, or like a little rainbow shape compared to the others. And then I'm going to draw kind of a line that comes out and then up like this. Okay, this animal is a walrus. A walrus. I think walruses are super uber cute. Okay, and they have these little teeth like this, or these tusks. And then I like to draw their eyebrows. Eyeballs. And then their little nose. I just feel like they look like they have a beard. And that just makes me happy. Like an animal having a beard. I think it's super cute. And you know what? I think that's a little too big. So I'm going to come in here. I'm actually not going to erase first. I'm going to draw first, and then I'm going to go erase. Because sometimes I do this thing where I erase it, and then I don't know what lines I've already made. So therefore I keep making the same mistake. And that's no fun, right? So if you draw the lines, like don't erase first, keep drawing the lines that you want to, and then erase all the lines after you finally get the line that you want. You won't keep making the same mistake, and you won't get frustrated. Do walruses have ears? Let's see. I don't know if they do or not. I'm not going to put ears on them because I don't know. But then walruses have these like really cool little legs, right? But then their bodies are kind of like a tail at the end, right? So that's why I wanted to do it kind of horizontally, is so we can have him laying down like this. So, if you're in my class, on the body part and even on these legs parts, we're going to add some detail there. But if you're not in my class, then you can add detail wherever you want to. Okay, so here's a walrus. And for the next one, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to keep him horizontal. And we're going to draw a whale this time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill out my paper though. And I'm going to come up and down like a rainbow shape again. And then I'm going to come up and down like an upside down rainbow shape. And then I like to draw little whale tails. And I like for them to come in really little, like that. And I'm going to come back to the top where this rainbow shape is. I'm going to come around and then up just like this. And then we can draw their mouth and their eyeball. Little eyelashes if you want to. And their little blowhole. And then I like to have this down here at the bottom a different color. And I even sometimes add little wrinkles in there. Right? Oh, and they might need another little fin. What do you think? So you just go in and erase all the stuff that was there. So there we go. There is my whale. And remember, if you're in my class, we're going to add some detail to the body here. But if you're not in my class, add whatever you want to. I'd love to see what you turn this whale into. Maybe you'll add a Santa hat or some flowers or all kinds of different stuff. Okay. So this is the very last Arctic animal we're going to do. And for this one, we need it to be vertical again. Okay. We're going to do a reindeer. Okay. A baby reindeer, actually. Baby reindeer. So what you're going to need to do is make a big rainbow shape. And then we're going to come up and around like that. But halfway up this little shape, you're going to make a line. And then you're going to make a rainbow shape. Then you're going to make another line. And another rainbow shape. And another line. And I'm going to show you what that's for. So right here, we're going to put a triangle, a rounded off triangle shape. And that's going to be the nose. And I'm going to put the little mouth there. If you want to do some rosy cheeks, you can. And these are for the eyes. So we're going to have circles. And then I'm going to have my reindeer looking up. So you can draw like the color part and then the pupil part. Now this is where it makes it look like it's adorable, okay? Is when you add in the little highlights. So you're going to add a big highlight and a little highlight. But then on the other eye, you need to do it in the exact same place, okay? Big highlight and little highlight. And then if you want to add some eyelashes, you can, okay? And then we have some ears. I'm going to have my ears face downward or point downward. Like this right here. And then I'm going to come in like this with some little baby horns. Just like that right there. And then, remember, if you're in my class, we're going to do something for the body. But if you're not, then you could add whatever you want to. And little baby deer have little spots. I assume baby reindeer have little spots too. And for me, I was going to make this section down here like a light brown or a cream and make this brown with little white spots. Right? But you can do whatever you want to. So there we go. There is our baby reindeer. So we are finished with Arctic animals. I cannot wait to see what you would turn these into. And happy making!